Hello and welcome to the Painting with Commentary for the Nozzles Marvelous Miniatures Nightmare, episode 28 of Paint to Life. This is going to be real short and sweet, as this miniature starts by being perfectly transparent, and we get the effect by using inks to tint the transparency and a nice technical crackle paint to give a black coat with some color underneath. So as you can see, Casandoro Yellow is the main color I'm going to use for the Nightmare. You can see the horse is completely translucent, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer of this, and then I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to apply some more and let it dry and apply some more to build up a thickness. If you just apply one layer too thick, it's going to get really dark in some areas where it beads up and too thin on areas where it doesn't. So ideally, it's okay if it's splashed on the base. We're going to pull that off later. I also use a Fuegian Orange and a Blood Angels Red, which were done off screen just to give it a little bit more than a yellow color, to give it a little more of a flame-like color. But again, light coats, multiple applications, get it tinted, and when you're done, you're going to have something that looks like this. When held up to the light, it glows a brilliant orange, looks like fire. Now it's definitely got to be held up to light to do that, which makes photographing it tricky, which we'll get to later. But once you have that and she's dry, now for the trick. This is a Mordant Earth. It's a technical paint from Citadel. It's designed to make crackle effects. It's usually used in basing, and I'd never tried it on a model before, and surprisingly I looked online and not many people I have either. You can see I used it here in the Tiamat base. I painted the lava, and then the crackle paint goes on. The thicker you go on, the better crackling effect you'll have. So I'm putting on very heartily. I'm being careful not to put it on the area where the tail is, where the mane is, the flames by the feet. Just put a heavy dosing of this on. Fun fact, I also tried this on a Hellhound first before potentially ruining the Nightmare, just to see how it would dry on a concave and convex shape like the model itself, as opposed to the flat base where I would usually use this. So you can see I left the teeth exposed, the eyeball exposed, the mane, the tail, and the hooves and the flames coming off the hooves. For the reason why this is so simple, look no further. A thick coating of this, let it dry for a couple hours, and when you come back to it, you're going to see what it looks like. Now the next couple pictures I'm going to show you are what it looks like up close without being backlit. So here's what I have so far. See the effect? It almost looks like it's ash or charcoal. You can somewhat see the orange through it. And clearly the orange tail is pretty intense. I'm breaking him off the base, and I'm using Phalanx Yellow to highlight the tail and the mane. Just a couple areas, a little lines, so if there is no backlighting, it still looks like fire. Now I'm going to mount this Nightmare, so I'm going to drill a hole up into its crotch area and use a piece of aluminum wire to put it on a 45-degree angle. I'm going to use this because I want to mount her on a mirror. Because she needs to be backlit, as you can see in this picture, she kind of just looks black. I'm using a piece of plastic mirror, like locker mirror, as you can see. Hello. Now what this mirror is going to do, just be careful with that knife, it's hard, but cut through the back, make a bunch of cuts, and it'll just break. Make a rectangle for yourself. This is going to allow the light to reflect up underneath her and help with that 3D or that backlighting effect. Some polyester fiber, as you know or may not know, Nightmares put out a smoky background effect where they run. So I spray painted some polyester fiber. I used this came from Black Magic Craft. Jeremy showed us how to make smoky effects, and you know, for your basing, I use the same kind of idea. Polyester fiber with some flat black spray paint to make a smoky effect. I wrapped it around the base that the Nightmare is residing on, and that gives us that kind of smoky trail. Kind of looks like a batch of black pubes, but hey, you never know till you try. And as you can see, that mirror is giving us a cool underbelly shot of the Nightmare. And that's all there really was to this model, but it was a lot of fun to do, and the finished product, when in light, as we can see in these pictures right here, is spectacular. Now it's tricky to light this, but that is what that looks like when it's backlit. So if you hold this finished model up to a light source, it is going to look like that. This Kraken, molten looking look with the Mordant Earth, which you can then enhance further by painting some areas black if you want some parts to not show through. Here's the back side. You can see that smoky effect, which again, it looks pretty cool. She's on a 45-degree angle up off that mirror. It makes her look like she's taking to the air. And as again I said in the episode, the mirror kind of gives the ethereal effect. you know, like there she is in the material plane and down underneath the ethereal plane where she can be in both places at once. Here she is when she's not backlit. Looks like a black horse with fiery mane and tail, which is good. That's why that yellow was used to highlight some of those flames. But you can still see some of the light coming through even when she's not fully backlit. It's still a really cool effect. I was really happy with the way this turned out. So in finishing, here's the final shot. Again, creatively backlit for the photo. Looks awesome. Looks really cool in the sun, held up against anything bright. So that's the Nightmare, and there's her smoke screen. So if you have any questions below, please leave them in the comments for me. I'll be glad to get back to you, and hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial and have good luck with it yourself. It's great for a new painter because there's really not much you can do wrong with it if you follow that kind of steps. So again, hope everyone's having a good day, staying safe. I'm GMA Tank. We'll see you next time. Wash your hands, people.